In this video, we'll walk you through the guide on how to merge PowerPoint presentations. Basic copy and paste. Open both presentations, select the slides you wish to transfer and copy them. Then navigate to the other presentation, go to the Home tab, and then select Paste. A menu will drop down. By selecting Keep Source Formatting immediately after pasting, it ensures that slides retain their original style, ensuring visual consistency with minimal effort. Reusing PowerPoint slides with ease. Open the target presentation to the slide where the new content will be placed. In the Home tab, select Reuse Slides under the New Slides button. After browsing and opening the source file, the right side of the screen will give you the thumbnail previews of those slides. You can select them individually or insert all. By ticking the Use Source Formatting checkbox, it guarantees that every slide remains in its original glory, retaining its design as if it had never left home. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.